Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got the Invicta Shark Dial. But before we get started on this review, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate everything you do for this channel, all your liking and subscribing, your thumbs up, and all your comments and general interaction with the channel always do help out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here on Dave the Watchman on YouTube. Today, I am coming to you from the beautiful island of the Princess Cays in the Bahamas. We have decided to sail away on the beautiful Princess Star, which is off there in the background, and wonderful, wonderful ship. And it is the maiden voyage of the Princess Star on the Princess Cruise Line. The Invicta I believe this is 30022 watch. I'm going to get some close-ups of this when I get into the cabin. But it is a very wonderful watch with the flame fusion crystal, the Japanese quartz movement, and the stainless steel bracelet, as well as the beautiful, beautiful champagne shark dial. I do call it shark dial because it does have that hammerhead shark on the front of the dial, as well as the hammerhead shark on the bezel. The bezel is a green colored, turquoise green bezel. Very nice looking watch with a champagne gold dial and the two-tone stainless steel bracelet with the security clasp. Very, very nice watch, very well built. The price point on this watch is an amazing value for this watch, which I've received many compliments wearing this watch. The price point on this thing is somewhere around the neighborhood of $80. I will post a link to this in the description below. That link does not cost you anything more to click on it, but if you do click on it, it's very much appreciated because it does give me a couple of dollars if you do decide to purchase this watch using that link. This watch is available in many different colors and styles. I own currently the all gold version, this champagne version, and the black version of this watch. Very nice watch. It is 100 meters of water resistance. There we go. Very nice watch. It is just a beautiful looking watch with all that champagne gold on that dial. Very wonderful watch. Like I said, flame fusion crystal, screw down crown, and it's 100 meters of water resistant. This is the Invicta. Let's take a look at this back here for you. See if we can get that in focus. So if you can't see that, it's 100 meters of water resistant Japanese movement, and it is the model number 30022 flame fusion crystal, and the trinite illumination on the indices, which make it a very bright watch in when it's glowing. Very nice movable bezel, very smooth turning, just a very, very nice watch all around. Once again, I am coming to you guys from the island of the Princess Cays in the Bahamas, by way of the Princess Star on the maiden voyage. I will take this into the cabin, do a little bit more of a review on it for you, but I wanted to get some shots of it outside. I've been wearing this thing for the past day or so, and I've gotten a couple of compliments on it. Just a very wonderful watch. So guys, if you're looking for a great watch that you don't want to spend a lot of money on, this is the watch you're going to want to take a look at. And like I said, I'm going to take this into the room and just kind of go over it a little bit more for you guys. Okay, so what we have here is the Invicta 30022, or as I affectionately like to call it, the Invicta Shark Dial. I do love how it has that shark logo on the dial itself, as well as the shark logo on the bezel. Very nice watch. I really, really love the color of this dial. That teal colored, it's like a metallic teal color. But I love the champagne dial on this thing. It is just very, very beautiful. I have received many, many compliments on this watch. It is just a beautiful, stunning watch. I brought it inside the cabin here because I wanted you guys to really see how nice it looks in the light here. But I am still here. I just came from the outside to the inside. Water is beautiful here, by the way, guys. This is we're actually docking right now onto the Princess K's Island in the Bahamas, and our next stop is going to be Nassau. We are on the maiden voyage of the Star Princess. It's a really, really beautiful, beautiful cabin. But anyhow, beautiful, beautiful watch here we've got. I really, really love the water. I have 3 versions of this watch. I have the black one, I have this one right here, and then I have the all gold version of this watch. There are many different styles to choose from, so you guys click on that link, you can kind of check out what they have available. But aside from that, it's got the flame fusion crystal, so it's a really good quality crystal. It's got that Cyclops eye with the magnification for the date display, and it's just a really, really nice watch with the screw down crown, and it's 100 meters of water resistance. Let's get another shot of the back here for you guys. Take a good look at that. There you go. So I've had this watch probably for, I don't know, a little under a year, but really, really nice. It's got the indices glow in the dark, really nice. It says it's what, that Trinite? I think that's what it said, Trinite glow. Yeah. Let's see. Yes, Trinite night glow. And this is the Invicta PRO Diver, Master of the Ocean, it says. Very, very nice watch. Like I said, guys, if you want a really, really nice watch and you don't want to spend a ton of money, this is definitely one of your best bets. I mean, this is a great watch. Like I said, I think the price point was somewhere around 80 bucks. But like I said, just click on that link and you can check it out. Really, really nice watch. I can't say enough good things about it. I do have quite a few Invicta watches. This is just one of the many that I do have. Very solid bracelets on these things. Just a really, really great watch. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you'd like to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I do showcase all of the watches that I do review here, and some watches of interest for you guys to check it out. And they are all affiliate links, so you guys can purchase any of the watches that I do have displayed on that website. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I know I will. I'm here in the beautiful island of the Princess K's Island here, just on the opposite side of Nassau, Bahamas, on the maiden voyage of the Star Princess, on the Princess Cruise Lines, and it is a beautiful ship. I am not a cruise ship reviewer, but if I were, this would be a great ship to review. It is just a wonderful ship. But anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thanks.